This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the app icon size on your Android phone. So you can just hold down on the empty space on your home screen and it'll open up this page. Go to settings and the first option is app size. You can just go all the way to the right and that should increase the app size. Now you can also change the home screen grid. If you make it a little bit smaller, I believe the apps will be bigger or smaller depending on that. So if you make it 4:6, it'll make it a lot larger. So I can go back to the home screen here, and you can see my apps are just a little bit larger now. Another thing that you can do is change your display size. If we go to settings here, go down from the top right, hit settings, scroll on down to display, and there should be an option in here for font size and style size. And we could try messing with the font size, making this bigger or smaller. And that might actually change some of the app sizes too. It'll change like the screen size look. It'll make your screen size a little bit larger because of that. So I'm going to change that too. And then we can go back. And we have screen zoom right here if we want to zoom in the screen. So look at that as an option. So you can change the app size, the screen size, just with those different options. Now everything is super small. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.